So these are the new apple pies from McDonald's. These are strawberry apple pies, and these are their classic apple pies that they've always had. But I'm going to try the strawberry ones and see if there's a difference between them. This is my first time having these. So this is the strawberry pie. That's how it looks. Here's the other one. So you can see that it's like a really gooey type of strawberry. This is going to be pretty good. So here's the strawberry ones. It's time to have a bite out of them and see what I think. So here's the first bite of it. So the strawberry is really good. It's actually pretty sweet. This is a really good pie here. So this one here is a strawberry pie. This one here is the apple pie. They do taste a bit different, but they are pretty much the same pie. But it's really nice to have both of them to compare them. So they were really good. I would definitely get these again. But if McDonald's watches this, I hope they bring back the Oreo pie. That was my all-time favorite.